Hello team.
In this tutorial, we will create a custom watermark plugin for PaintNet using the CodeLab tool.
Precondition.
The PaintNet application is already installed on your personal computer.
Step 1. Download the CodeLab plugin for PaintNet.
Download the CodeLab plugin from the website shown in the image.
It is a free development environment for writing PaintNet effect plugins in CSharp.
The download link is located in the middle of the page, as shown in the image.
Step 2. Unzip CodeLab archive.
Locate the downloaded CodeLab zip archive.
Unzip the CodeLab archive.
Step 3. Install the CodeLab plugin.
Open the unzipped folder of the CodeLab plugin.
Run the CodeLab installer file.
In the CodeLab installer wizard, enable the license agreement checkbox.
It would be nice if you read it, of course.
Click the install button in the bottom right corner of the CodeLab installation wizard.
Wait until the installation is finished.
Click the OK button in the dialog.
Click the Close button.
Step 4. Open CodeLab plugin in PaintNet.
Launch PaintNet.
In the menu bar, click Effects, then select Advanced, and finally click CodeLab.
You will see the CodeLab editor.
In this case it is CodeLab version 6.13.
Step 5. Implement the custom watermark effect code.
In the CodeLab editor, enable the Show Output Errors checkbox in the bottom left corner.
In the CodeLab editor, click on the File menu item, then click on New, then click on Bitmap effect.
Prepare your watermark or logo image, name it paint_net_logo.png, and place it in the Downloads folder on your Windows system.
Copy and paste the code from the text version of the tutorial into the CodeLab editor.
Please find the link to the text version in the video description.
Save the script in your Documents folder.
Create a separate folder named Watermark Logo and save the code file as watermark logo cpu.cs.
Step 6. Build the custom watermark effect.
Click the Build DLL menu button in the top left corner of the CodeLab editor window.
In the Building dialog, make the changes shown in the image and press the Build button.
Click the OK button in the Build Finished dialog box.
An archive containing the DLL has been created on your desktop.
Step 7. Install the custom watermark effect.
Find the watermark logo cpu.zip archive on the desktop, created by the CodeLab plugin.
Unzip the archive on the desktop.
Open the unzipped folder and run the install bat script by double-clicking on it.
Press Enter once patching is complete.
Step 8. Test the custom watermark effect.
After a successful plugin installation, restart PaintNet and find the watermark effect in the top menu.
Set the margin, scale, and opacity in the watermark logo dialog window, and then press the OK button.
Step 9. How to delete the custom watermark effect.
To remove the watermark logo effect, follow these steps.
First, close the PaintNet application.
Then find the PaintNet folder in Program Files.
Inside it, open the Effects folder.
Find watermark logo cpu.dll and delete it.
After that, restart the PaintNet application.
Well done.
So we did something useful today instead of mindless scrolling of social networks.
Good job.